Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear lecturer, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. In this very next opportunity, I'm very happy standing in front of your camera because in this opportunity, I'm going to show you my final project on advanced structure subject. It's about teaching video about conditional sentence. In order you can get the information well, therefore, I do pay your attention to listen to me really seriously. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Agung. My student number is 2023-1111026. I'm from T3A class, English Education Study Program, and I'm from Universitas PGRI Palembang. And the subject about advanced structure and the supporting lecture is Mr. Yus Fernandez User, Bachelor of Education and Master Educations. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let me begin. Okay, let's start the video. What is conditional sentence? Conditional sentence in bahasa adalah kalimat pengandaian atau suatu kalimat yang membicarakan dan mengekspresikan suatu kondisi yang bisa terjadi dan hasil yang mengikuti jika kondisi itu terpenuhi. Conditional sentence juga terbagi menjadi 4. Yang pertama, zero conditional sentence, first conditional sentence, second conditional sentence, and the last is third conditional sentence atau conditional sentence type 0, type 1, type 2, type 3. Oke, masuk ke conditional sentence type 0 atau zero conditional sentence. Conditional type 0 menjelaskan tentang general truth. General truth itu apa? General truth itu menjelaskan fakta-fakta, fakta penelitian atau kebenaran umum lainnya. Conditional type 0 mempunyai rumus simple present, if simple present. Jadi contoh kalimatnya gini, I'm happy if I have a lot of money. Saya senang jika saya banyak uang. Atau bisa juga kita gunakan everybody is sad if they lose their money. Semua orang akan sedih jika mereka kehilangan uang. Oke, lanjut ke conditional sentence type 1 atau first conditional sentence. Conditional sentence type 1 biasanya menjelaskan tentang possibility. Possibility itu adalah kemungkinan yang terjadi. Jadi masih kemungkinan. Bisa iya, bisa tidak. Jadi rumusnya itu simple future if simple present. Jadi contohnya kita bayangkan kita buat sentences ya. Kita bayangkan kita lagi main kuis cepat tepat yang berhadiah. Jadi kalimatnya gini. The example of the sentences kayak gini. I will get the money if I can answer the question. Saya akan dapat uang jika saya dapat menjawab pertanyaan dengan benar. Atau if I can answer the question, kita balik ya. If I can answer the question correctly, I will get the money. Jika saya menjawab jawaban dengan benar, saya akan mendapatkan uang. Okay, another example. I will go to Raja 4. Saya akan pergi ke Raja 4 if I have a lot of money. Jika saya banyak uang. Jadi, kita simpulkan bahwa conditional type 1 itu tentang kemungkinan yang akan terjadi, tentang possibility. Lanjut ke second type of conditional sentence atau second conditional sentence. Biasanya itu tentang present unreal atau kemungkinannya sangat kecil terjadi atau tidak mungkin itu terjadi. Jadi kemungkinan itu kecil banget. Jadi contoh conditional sentence type ini dia mempunyai rumus if plus simple past, kita gunakan were, past future. Jadi gini contoh sentence-nya, I would be happy if I were Spider-Man. Atau kita balik, if I were Spider-Man, I would be happy. Jika aku seorang Spider-Man, aku bakal senang. Sangat senang. Faktanya, in the fact, I'm not Spider-Man. Okay? Understand? Next, ke conditional sentence type terakhir adalah third conditional atau conditional sentence type 3. Jadi conditional type 3 ini biasanya disebut past unreal atau di masa lalu tidak nyata sebenarnya. Jadi sebenarnya kita ingin melakukan itu, tapi tidak bisa karena waktunya sudah dilewatkan. Jadi rumusnya itu simple past future perfect plus if plus past perfect. Jadi contohnya, she would have had a good score if she had studied well. Atau if she had studied well, she would have had a good score. Tapi faktanya she didn't study well. Okay? So from that explanation, I can conclude or I can make this summarizing. You can look this picture and you can take a screenshot. So I think that's all about the explanations. Thank you very much for a great attention. See you in another teaching video. Bye bye.